My name is Jill Bodak, and I practice at the Village Healing Centre on Roncesvalles Avenue in Toronto, Ontario. I graduated from the CAO in October of 2016. I had a full patient load immediately upon graduating from the CAO. I think that my preparation for professional practice at the CAO started from my very first day there. The hands-on technical side of the school gave me a skill set that I can apply on a daily basis in a safe way. But also there was a lot of wisdom around the teachers really setting me up to understand how to do this work, how to do it in a community, how to run it as a business, but also make it feel like something that I'm proud of, that has integrity. And I think that the CAO was teaching me that for the whole 4 years that I spent there.